Catching fish out in the rain today. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh, 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 that's a fish. That's a good one too. Oh, oh. Got hit there. I did. Oh, and it's a good little smallie. Another good little football. Hey, welcome back to another creek fishing video. It just come through really hard with rain, but sun's supposed to be coming out here pretty soon. So I'm at this little creek that goes under this bridge, and I've been wanting to come fish it for a long time. Here we are on top. Don't look too bad. Looks pretty deep over there. This is one of the first creeks I ever really fished. Oh, this has always been a real cold creek. It's to fish this little hole right here. There's a couple little holes all through this little area. And then I'm gonna try to go downstream a little bit, fish a little bit, see if there's still some good fish in here. And it's a lot more pressured than it used to be. A lot of people fish this creek and a lot of people swim here as well. The rain is actually starting to pick up again. So I'm gonna take my bag and set it under the bridge. Got my batteries and lures in there. But I've switched up to a little Helgramite already on a weedless Ned rig. See if anything hits it. Oh, we might have something. There we go. First cast with the Helgramite. We got a little rock bass, I think. There we go. First bass of the day. First catch of the day. Little rock bass. Toss him back in. I saw a smallmouth. I think I actually saw two in there. See if they'll hit this. I missed the fish just there. Hopefully I can get something to hit. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, man, he is strong. Oh, he took it and ran off with it. You might be able to see my line when he hit it, but he ran off with it. Look at this smallie. He's not super long, but he's super fat, real strong. But we got him right in the corner of the mouth. Man, what a fish. That's not bad for a second fish. Really nice. He fought really, really hard. We're gonna give him a little release right here. Wow, and he's gone. We're gonna put him kind of in the middle. See if anything hits him. Oh. Oh, there we go. Got another one. I think it's another little smallie. Look at that. Yes. Second smallie out of this hole. Got him right in the top of the lip. Look at that. Nice little smallie. See if anything's in this little hole. Oh, there we go. That's a fish, I think. Man, they fight like crazy in here. Oh, oh, that's a largemouth. We got a largemouth out of there. Another nice fish. Wow. Catching fish in the rain. Oh, there ain't no sun there. Gotta get in the rain. Catching fish out in the rain today. You can get an underwater release on them. Well, not quite. Way too fast. Now, a lot of people also ask, can you fish in the rain? You can definitely fish in the rain. Look, there's a little pigeon right up there. The sun's coming out, but it's still raining a little bit. Man, this is what you want. Oh! No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh! 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 That's a fish. That's a good one too. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh no, I'm hung up. I was hung up on something. Oh! Look at this fish. Oh my goodness. I think he's about to jump again here soon. Oh, no, no, here we go. Yes! Man, he's so strong. These fish in this creek are so strong. Oh my goodness. This is a good fish. Good smallie. I'm having to back him up. I can't pull him in. This is a monster. Oh, he's on the bank. He can't get out. Yes! Look at that! Yes! What a fish! Oh my gosh! He's 212. Oh, he's 212. Look at that. That is a huge smallmouth out of this creek. And it's not even that big of a creek, but he come under that pillar over there and he crunched it. Let's get him back in the water. What a creek smallie. And right as it was starting to, the rain started to let up, she demolished it. She saw something else go for it, and then that's when she ate it up. I think she's ready. That was too crazy. She's good. This creek right here, or at least this part of it, has never been known to hold fish like that. That's why I got so excited. Not only was it a big 2-pounder, like almost 3, but it's in an area that's very pressured by people swimming and fishing, you know, just having a good time or whatever. So it makes the fish, you know, a little bit more alarmed and scared easier. I can't believe that. So I'm going downstream. A little family had come down, and I'm mid talking about the fish, about the 2-pounder. They come up right behind me, and I heard them walking on the rocks. And I turn around, they're no more than like 20 feet from me. And so they were probably like, why is this guy talking to himself like that? So I decided to go ahead and come downstream, let them sit up there and swim or whatever. Like I said, this is a really pressured area. And as soon as the rain stopped, people started coming. I mean, that's just how it works. But anyway, I'm gonna keep walking downstream, try to get to our next spot. I'm gonna try to cast right in here. Looks like a little deep hole. Oh, it's getting carried by the current. We're gonna let the current take it. Oh, it might have fish. There we go. I think it's a rock bass. Yep, there we go. Whoa, this rock bass looks cool. There we go. Another little rock bass, and he looks kind of, I don't know, he looks weird. His fins are kind of spotted. I don't know, I don't think I've really noticed that before. They're really cool though. Clouds are going in and out in front of the sun. Oh, may have got hit there. I did. Oh, and it's a good little smallie. It's a good one. It might be a pound. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see him in the water. Probably not with the wind. But he crunched it. We got another good smallie on here. Oh, look at him. Oh, I wish he'd jump a little bit. Look at that. Man, they fight so hard in this current. In this creek in general. Oh my goodness. I don't know, my line's gonna pop any minute. Look at this. Oh, oh. I might drag a little too tight though. Oh, there's another one following him. Did y'all see that? No, I'm gonna go ahead and get him in. Oh, look at that. Another good little football. There we go. Look at that. That is a football of a bass. And this ain't even a big creek. It goes down. And I mean, it's not a wide creek, as y'all can tell. And this football comes out of it. Set my pole right here. I mean, look at that. Just another absolute football of a bass. We're gonna weigh him too. Into the grippers. Zero it out. Oh, well, it was. Oh, now it is. There we go. He is. So he's 2-4. All right, we're gonna give this guy a little underwater release. There he goes, taking off. It was a really fun time catching that smallmouth, and I saw another one following it right there at the end. I wonder if he will hit. Got to be careful though, because I got to start walking in the water and waiting a little bit. You got to be careful doing that sometimes. Oh, there's another one. Didn't even know he had it. Oh, he come out. Look, there he is. There he is. That's a bigger smallie. That's a bigger smallie. We're gonna back up. Oh my goodness, he's tracking him. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. I want to say that might be the smallie we just got. We're gonna grab this smallie, put him back, see if we can see that big one. Got a little bit of an overcast right now. Might rain again. I'm okay with it. Caught a big bass last time it rained. Oh. Thought we had a fish. I know I felt a nibble. Look, there's a good bass right there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Oh, that's a bass. I believe, yes, it's a bass. It's a little guy. I think the smallest one of the day. There we go. Got another little smallie. Man, this turned out to be really good. Getting our cast out there. There we go. Oh, might have something. Yep. That's gotta be another smallie or a rock. Oh, he's coming to me. Yep, another smallie. Another smallie. But there we go. Another little smallie. Alright, so I was gonna use my TNR crankbait, but I can't find it, so we're gonna use the crick hopper, the green crick hopper. See if that does anything for us. Oh. There we go. We got another smallie. On the crick hopper. But there we go. Another little smallie. Video's all about smallmouth today, I guess. Alright everybody, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. And with that rain coming in, didn't know what was gonna happen next. And then that big 2-pounder hit. That was amazing. Really good day of fishing. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna come back to this creek at some point. And I will see y'all in the next one.